First, release the primary hood release lever. Second, lift the hood a little bit and use one of your fingers to push the release leverage to the right and then pull up the hood. This is the release lever. Find the location of the engine air filter box cover. Take off these two sticks. Slide the box cover towards the front of the car and lift it up. Grab the filter and pull it up. Put the new filter back in. There are 3 slots at the back of the box. To put the cover back, make sure it slides into the slots in the back. Then put the metal clips back on. Close the hood. Then it's done. Super easy. Visit www.freshonopt.ca to shop the cabin and engine air filter for your vehicle. Free shipping to all Canada and US areas.